Gold's glittering run is drawing buyers around the world, but one Singaporean is doing the opposite. Sharifah is selling her gold and buying silver instead. She believes the cheaper metal could offer better value and stronger gains ahead. At a bullion dealer in Singapore, the 60-year-old is parting with a coin she's owned for years.
Today I'm selling my Kelantan gold dinar. So this coin is called the KGT, Kelantan Golden Trade. So the dinar is a fixed mass, which is 4.25 gram and of a purity of 917 gold.
She says gold has always been her form of savings.
Because gold is so liquid, so whenever I need a bit of cash, I sell one coin so that I have some money to spend. So this is my savings. I save in the form of gold dinar, gold coins.
With gold prices near record highs, she is locking in profits.
Because gold is at a very high price now, all-time high, and I could make a profit. So I've already made 300% profit. So one coin, I bought it 7 years ago, was just $200 for one dinar.
She sold it for over $600 and made a profit of about 200%. With those profits, Sharifah is making a bold switch to silver.
The term is swapping, which means I sell the gold and I bought silver. So right now, the best time is to buy silver. Even though gold is going to go up, silver going to go up faster. So I've sold all the gold I wanted to sell actually, and I'm holding silver now because silver is going to explode.
Silver is outshining gold this year, with its price surging and outpacing gold's rally. But despite the rally, there is one advantage over gold. It's more affordable for everyday savers.
Silver is much cheaper. And when I say cheaper, I don't mean a few dollars cheaper. It's 100 times cheaper than gold. So for normal citizens, normal people like us, it's affordable, it's easier to start with silver.
She's been steadily buying silver for more than a decade, long before this year's rally.
More than 10 years already, slow accumulation, right? So you just accumulate over the years. So you don't wait for crisis to occur before you scramble for some silver,
Experts say Sharifah's contrarian move comes at a time when silver has been outshining gold.
Silver has the potential to outperform gold. We've seen it 2020, 2022, 2024, and this year, 2025 so far. I think silver have gone up by close to 70% as of now, as compared to gold roughly about 52 to 54%. So I think silver will still continue to perform, especially during this period of the tightness in the physical market.
But past gains don't always predict future returns. Analysts say silver's smaller market size can make it vulnerable to quick reversals. Silver's price surge this year has been driven by rising industrial demand and tighter supply.
Silver is both a precious and an industrial metal, and over the past few years we saw silver demand expanding due to an increase in solar panel production in China. That part of demand has been particularly strong in the first half of this year due to front-loading effects as some subsidies were rolling off in China.
That industrial demand has helped lift prices. But if growth slows, that same link to manufacturing means that silver could fall just as fast.
I believe that a lot of these news are priced in already. Going forward, Fed rate cuts are likely to support silver prices, but silver industrial demand growth might not be as strong as what we saw in the beginning of this year. So I believe that volatility is going to remain in silver prices.
So investors looking to swap gold for silver should know the risks.
Silver is not gold. Gold is held by the central banks, and then gold is more liquid. Generally, we will call it like a universal currency because most people understand what gold is. But as compared to silver, in terms of the investment portion of silver, based on the fundamentals, in fact, about 30% only is in investors are investing in silver as compared to gold, which is about 70%. So based on that, I think investors need to look at, well, silver, yes, it might seem good because like 4 out of 5 years, actually they've done better than gold, since 2020. However, do note that silver is not gold. And in terms of crisis, in terms of, people looking for a safe haven asset, so far gold still is the asset as compared to silver. But not saying silver is a bad investment, but it's always about timing. If prices go up quite quick, they can come back quite quick also. This volatile market is good to trade, but don't put all your eggs in one basket. I think that's very, very dangerous.
Despite such warnings, Sharifah believes silver's potential outweighs the risks.
Silver has more users, so that means there is more growth in this. The prices will go up even higher, and it's very cheap to buy silver. So at one time, silver was like more than 100 to 1 ratio. So 1 ounce of gold pays over 100 ounces of silver. It was so cheap. So it makes sense to buy silver. And traditionally, gold-silver ratio was 15 to 1, 10 to 1, and now it's 100 to 1. So that means silver is definitely has a lot of upside to go.
For Sharifah, gold has already done its job as a safe store of value and a steady gain. Now she's betting that silver will deliver the next chapter of returns. But analysts warn that silver's volatility and smaller market mean it can lose shine as quickly as it gains.